Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Anthropic's latest innovation, Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This isn't just another AI model, it's a hybrid reasoning powerhouse that combines lightning-fast answers with the ability to break down complex problems through detailed, step-by-step thinking. Imagine having a model that can quickly respond to your everyday questions while also laying out a comprehensive chain of thought when you need a deeper dive. What sets Claude 3.7 Sonnet apart is its unique dual-mode design. In standard mode, it's an evolved version of its predecessor, providing you with improved efficiency and reliability. But when you switch to extended thinking mode, the model takes a moment to really analyze your query, planning, considering multiple angles, and then offering a final answer that's both thorough and insightful. This dual capability means that whether you're looking for a quick answer or a detailed explanation, Claude adapts to your needs seamlessly. Plus, Anthropic's commitment to accessibility is clear. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is available on every plan, from free to enterprise, and even integrates with platforms like Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. And the pricing remains as straightforward as ever: $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens, thinking tokens included. It's all about delivering quality without compromise. Now let's dive deeper into the standout features that make Claude 3.7 Sonnet a true game changer. One area where this model truly shines is coding. With robust improvements in front-end web development and general coding tasks, Claude 3.7 Sonnet has proven itself in real-world tests, boasting an impressive performance on benchmarks and earning praise for its creative problem-solving abilities. But there's more. Introducing Claude Code, a command-line tool designed for agentic coding. Imagine being able to delegate extensive coding tasks directly from your terminal. Whether it's reading and editing code, running tests, or even pushing updates to GitHub, Claude Code can handle it all in one go. Early demos have shown it completing tasks that would typically require 45+ minutes of manual work, making it an indispensable assistant for developers. Additionally, this model offers an enhanced output capacity, with the ability to generate responses up to 128K tokens, with 64K generally available and 128K in beta. You get the flexibility to request more detail, multiple examples, or additional context without being cut short. And behind all these advancements is Anthropic's rigorous approach to safety and reliability, ensuring that Claude 3.7 Sonnet not only delivers groundbreaking performance, but also does so responsibly. Finally, let's talk about the practical applications and future potential of Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This model isn't just a tech marvel, it's a versatile tool that's already making waves across industries. In business, it's being used to create advanced AI assistants that can interact directly with customers. In healthcare, its deep reasoning capabilities help with medical imaging analysis and research summarization, while in finance, it's solving complex modeling problems with ease. If you're ready to experience this next-level AI, you can access Claude 3.7 Sonnet through the Anthropic chatbot, API, Amazon Bedrock, or Google Cloud's Vertex AI model Garden. As we look ahead, Claude 3.7 Sonnet represents a significant leap forward, blending speed with depth and autonomy with collaboration. It's a tool that truly augments human capabilities, paving the way for a future where AI helps us achieve more than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe the channel to support it and to watch more contents like these. See you in the next video.